This California-inspired modern farmhouse is more than just a house. It's been designed to be a true forever home, offering comfort, functionality, and timeless beauty that will let its next owners grow old here with ease. Every detail was planned with luxury and livability in mind, blending modern style with features that support convenience, accessibility, and long-term enjoyment. Inside, you'll find over 4,000 square feet of single-level living, highlighted by luxury vinyl plank flooring and wide 36-inch doors for easy movement throughout the home. At the heart of the home, the gourmet kitchen shines with a massive island, tall 42-inch cabinets, and abundant storage throughout. A separate prep kitchen with its own refrigerator and a walk-in pantry with built-in shelving makes meal prep, entertaining, and organization effortless. An elegant office framed with French doors and its own porch access is perfect for working from home. A flex room with courtyard access offers even more personalization. The owner's suite features a spa-inspired bath with a zero-entry double shower and freestanding soaking tub. Secondary bedrooms each have ensuite baths and walk-in closets, making them equally inviting for family and guests. Step out back to a covered wraparound porch with a built-in gas grill, perfect for entertaining or quiet evenings. A brand new hot tub conveys with the property. For pet lovers, the home includes a dog run with synthetic grass, concrete, and a built-in doggy door, making life easier for four-legged family members. From its open, light-filled design to its emphasis on accessibility and durability, this home was built to last. A residence crafted for today, tomorrow, and the years ahead.